This year Samsung made subtle but significant changes to the design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. At first sight, the phone resembles its predecessor, the S22 Ultra, but the squarish frame, flatter display and the ever so slightly curved front and back glass panels make the company's 2023 flagship a lot more comfortable to use in hand. For the 2024 Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung might ditch the curves entirely and go with a flat screen and curved sides, according to renowned leaker IceUnit. Based on some early data, claims the S24 Ultra might ditch the curved screen for good, since the DP of the Note lineup. Samsung has gradually flattened the display of its Ultra phones. While the Galaxy S23 Ultra features a curved screen, the flat display space is larger than prior flagship Galaxy phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra from next year may be simpler to pick up and handle than the S23 Ultra thanks to its curved edges. One disadvantage of the flat display might be an increase in the phone's dimensions. According to IceUniverse, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be 79mm broad, making it wider than the 78.1mm S23 Ultra. However, all of the leaker statements are based on preliminary data. The S24 Ultra is said to include a titanium frame. However, despite the switch to a denser and more expensive material, the phone may be lighter than the S23 Ultra. Another alleged improvement in the works is a switch to a 50-megapixel and 3x sensor, which could greatly enhance picture quality for 3x to 9.9x photographs. The Galaxy S24 Ultra screen looks to be a perfect rectangle in various renderings posted by IceUniverse, and its GRAR frames make it appear wider than it is. In comparison, a depiction of the iPhone 15 Ultra reveals that Apple's phone will have a more manageable form. Some fresh information regarding the future Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has surfaced, which verifies. Next year's Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, but Samsung is also planning the return of an Exynos 2400 for its 24 Ultra. We have waited and seen since it is too early to forecast the performance of both processes. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.